What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a blade swap on a HUSQVARNA 554 zero-turn commercial grade. Customer bought it over and wanted to swap out his gator blades for brand new gator blades, so I sharpened the other ones and gave them back to him, and I put the new ones on it. So we're going to get in this video. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. I got the zero turn jacked up with my jack I got from Harbor Freights. I think it was like $110, $120. These are the blades. They're not in bad shape, but they're dull. So we're going to replace them and sharpen these to get back to them. So you can swap them out at a later time. To take these out, I think the bolts were 15/16. I'm using my 3/8 impact that I have here to get them out, take them out, and get them swapped. All right, guys, now that you're up on your lawnmower, you finally got it jacked up in the air, this is a good time to kind of check everything for wear. Some things might be, okay for now, but kind of take note of future repairs. Also, this is a good time to clean all of the debris from up under your deck that kind of gets up under there if you cut wet grass. Just, some safety things to practice and some future maintenance routines to practice, just so you will have them down pat coming here in the future. If you don't have the lawnmower jack, you can use a jack and jack stands. I do recommend, if you gonna use a jack, to use jack stands. Just want to practice safe precaution. This is the blade. This is an aftermarket blade that I got here locally. That's the part number on it. So just kind of want to, I think the original blade was like $31. I was able to get the aftermarket for like $15 a piece. So it's a little bit cheaper, save them a little bit more money. I'm gonna get them put on and get back to cutting. If you find any value in this content, whether it's to work on your stuff or work on someone else's, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel for future content. Once again, thanks for watching. All right, guys, so we was able to successfully get the blade swapped over without any problems. So until next time, thanks again for watching. Peace.